Hey, this is Brian, physical therapist, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to safely get in and out of a car after hip replacement. So I'm on the driver's side, so it is my left hip, so I'm going to practice getting in to the vehicle. Okay, so what I want to use is I have my cane here with me, and I also have my leg lifter. So the leg lifter, like I described in other videos, is good for stretching and exercise, but especially for a hip or knee replacement, it's good to help lift the leg. So my left leg was my surgical side. So what I want to do is I want to hook the leg lifter onto my foot on the left. And what I want to do is I'm going to swing into the car, and you want your good leg. Obviously for me, it's my right leg. I'm going to sit back in the seat. I'm going to get my good leg in, and then with the leg lifter, I'm going to lift up and I'm going to help swing it into the vehicle. So I've got my cane here. I'm just going to put that into the car, and then I'm going to lift my leg and I'm going to help lift it and slide over. So now I'm safely in the vehicle. To get out of the vehicle from the driver's side, again, I'm going to take my leg lifter, lift my leg. I'm going to shift my hips over, slide my good leg over, and I'm going to bring my left leg back to the ground, and then my good leg, and then I'll take the leg lifter off, and then I'll use my cane to stand up, and I'm good to go. So that's getting in and out of a vehicle on the driver's side after left hip replacement.